What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about something that I actually was going to mention in a live stream, but it's kind of weird that no notifications at all went out, and I wanted to give it a benefit of the doubt and give it like its time. 10 minutes went by, didn't see the viewer counts go up, and it honestly was very, very shocking as to why that was the case. But instead of doing it as a live stream, we're going to make it as a video talking about the Cardano and Ripple XRP partnership that could be big for both parties. So let's talk about this. Let's have a discussion, see where both positions are, and what this really means for the future of crypto and what it means for Ripple as well as XRP in general. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Patreon as well as Twitter down below. And also, I have a link for BTCC. If you're interested in leverage trading, I have a link for this platform, which is a fantastic platform. 10% deposit bonus over $500 USDT, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,000, 40% lower trading fees, and you could do up to a 500x leverage. And get this, you can also do as little as no leverage, but you can also do a 2x leverage if you wanted to, giving yourself a little bit of wiggle room to use somebody's money for your trading, but also not risk your entire portfolio or your entire investment by doing so, right? So feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. I also have a link for Margex if you guys are interested in that platform. But for the last week or so, we've been talking about XRP quite a bit. And over the last month, XRP has risen like 100%. And seeing that movement is fantastic, which brings a lot of conversation, with any partnership or anything that they are doing. And we know that there may be some more clarity for Ripple and cryptocurrency in general, especially in the U.S., as we see maybe Gary Gensler's gone and the SEC becomes a little bit more friendly towards crypto. So these partnerships and these things that these different cryptocurrencies are doing, as well as businesses are doing, are big for cryptocurrency in general. So I saw this article that came up, yesterday. Cardano and Ripple discuss potential partnership in privacy-focused blockchain project. So one of the major forces that has always helped the growth of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry is strategic partnerships between top companies to create innovations or projects that could improve the industry. We are about to witness another such development following a recent interaction between two prominent figures and very vocal personalities in the crypto space. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson and Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Their interaction has sparked speculation about their plans for the crypto space. The discussion between this duo was centered around midnight and privacy-focused blockchain project. It was unveiled at Scottfest, am I saying that right, in 2022 to address privacy and compliance issues. The project issues or uses zero-knowledge proofs or ZK snarks and a next-generation virtual machine, which gives it the capability to enable private transactions and private smart contracts while at the same time maintaining regulatory compatibility. Hoskinson positively reviewed the Midnight Project, saying that it can potentially drive privacy-centric, decentralized applications and further blockchain development. In an AMA session in November 17th, the Cardano founder expressed his optimism about the potential partnership between Cardano's Midnight project and Ripple's XRP system. He believes that such a partnership could bring Cardano's financial tool to XRP while utilizing Ripple's liquidity and stability or stablecoin solutions, including the RLUSD stablecoin, which is expected to launch very soon. Now, this has created, obviously, the speculation has created a lot of hype around the market. You see XRP whales shift over $200 million in tokens amid Ripple to Cardano partnership speculation, and this is pretty big to be able to see that much money that's being shifted over. Because of the partnership that's happening here. And I want to go into the actual position here. I don't want to dive into this because really it just goes into what the article was all about that we just talked about, as well as the money that's actually shifted over. So just getting the number is obviously good enough. But let's go ahead and look at where XRP is as well as Cardano is. So XRP currently stands at a 1.7% increase. Not really crazy. We are seeing volume that's a little bit down on XRP, but it's at about a $6 billion market cap, and also we're sitting at a $64 billion market cap, $6 billion market cap and a $6 billion volume day. 2% increase over the day. It looks like it just has increased, and we're seeing a little bit of movement here where it's up 2.18%, up to a $1.13 mark. When we look at the supply really hasn't changed, but let's go ahead and look at the other position, right? The other position, Cardano, is up by 11 or 12% today. It's up to an 82 or almost 83 cent mark, or a $29 billion market cap with $3 billion worth of volume, up 81%. So it seems like what's being affected more, obviously, is Cardano. That's getting the benefit when you look at, Ripple and what the benefit is there. It's not directly correlated to XRP in a way. It's more correlated towards the parent company, which is Ripple. However, it still does bring in XRP for the most part, because you understand what can be used within there, and the mention of anything Ripple related flows down to XRP in a large way. Again, this is big for crypto, to see two heavy hitters coming together and saying we have we want to establish some sort of a partnership, right? Is a big deal, right? You have trust in both their systems and what their projects do, trust in ledgers, trust in what they see, or how they see the future going. So for cryptocurrency, so it's definitely something that we can't take lightly. Whether it has more of an impact for XRP or for Cardano, I mean, you can probably say it probably has more of an impact for Cardano, but still, the partnership is going to be strong for both sides. And the parent company, XRP, as well as ADA. I want to know what you guys think about this. Is this something that we should be focused on, heavily focused on, or does it even matter at all? Is this something that's true? Because it still is rumored partnership, not really a true or a real partnership right now. It's a real speculation, or it's real speculation towards what could happen, but it doesn't mean that it is the case. So I want to know if you guys think that this is important. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Hopefully this gets a lot more views than the live stream that I had, but I do appreciate you guys for being here and taking the time out of your day to watch me. But feel free to check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon, as well as my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in a leverage trading platform where you could buy XRP. You could also buy ADA over on that platform and do it at a 50x leverage for both of them. So I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.